Through the silence I hear the call to rise again from every fall. The path is slow, the steps are sure. Each stone I lay will still endure. Every sign lights the way, building dreams that will not sway. Pillars of time, standing strong. Transformation leads me on. Patience grows in every trial, turning hardship into style. With the wisdom carved in stone, I find the strength to stand alone. Shadows fade beneath my hands as I shape life with my plans. Through the weight I learn to bend, yet hold my ground.